Bounces from 88, it gave you bounce to 100 when I had predicted that from $88 you would see $100 in less than 15 days, and that happened. And then once again from 88 to C96. Question 16 is also regarding oil and its relationship with Iran-US war. See, when I give this prediction of oil reaching 100, 120, when it was just in 50s, believe me or not, there was not even a hint of US-Iran war. You mean XT, it has corrected from the top, but it still seems like it is not done here. It's riding up the bull market support band very closely, and it should know at worst continue to do so for some time on the weekly time frame, though this should come off as a resistance, and that should decide if it goes to a new old high. This is an investment channel, and we aim to time the moves from sector to sector, from asset classes to asset classes and more. And well, if we were so worried about things going wrong, we would not have the kind of success rate that we have. We have done many trades in macro channel, and I have not even given entry too many times. But it was right for natural gas to give you concept how far it corrected. It almost reached our E2. It almost did that, and I reminded many people not in from E1 to just get it there, and then it bounced to what I think 30% or maybe more, but to tell you yes. But the idea here is that yes, 2018 midterm election years again, just like 2026 and just like 2019, Fed once again have the dual mandate issue, which is rising inflation and already elevated Fed fund rate with not deteriorated but softening labor market for sure. Exclude this particular move, or unless you bought near the very top, I think you should be more interested about fixing your behavioral issue here, buying you euphorically rallies. The number one basis for predictions is definitely data, which is trends in macroeconomical data, such as inflation yields, DXY liquidity, global liquidity trends, and inflation, economic, fiscal, and monetary policies. But I can still tell you my main thesis as that cyclical low for Bitcoin is not in. You could very much argue that the next low could finally be a candidate of being cyclical low.